Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, then definitely love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. In today's video, we will be unboxing the one and only Cher Barbie doll. And I'm so excited for this because I was able to find this for such a great price at a vintage antique store. And it's just so absolutely fabulous, and I love this so much. So without any further ado, let's unbox it. I'm so happy to share with you that I was able to get the Cher doll. Now, this is my favorite one, especially in like the Bob Mackie dresses. This is just so gorgeous and just so beautiful. Now, I was really lucky to get this because usually these are like $200 online. However, I was able to find it at a very, very cool like vintage antique store, and I did get it for only $35. Can you imagine? So this is so cool, and I'm honestly so happy that I have it. Now, it doesn't have the top to the actual box, but that's completely okay because this one I would not resell. I'm totally keeping this one. So this one I will be opening up, so let's see how she looks. Just come with the authenticity kit as well, which is really, really cool, especially when I just come from like an antique store. It's cool because that means this was like never really open and still like perfect condition, so that's awesome. But the back of the box we can see here, and if you would like, you can give it a nice pause and read it. Now with my Cher Barbie opened, you can see just how beautiful she is. Now, I am really, really impressed because that face molding, it's 100% like Cher. They did such a fantastic job. I am so thoroughly impressed with it, but also the gown as well. This is the good fabric, not that paper material at all. She does have her cute little lavender shoes that does match her outfit, but this is just so perfect because look at these feathers. Now, I'm not entirely sure if this is real ostrich feathers, however, it really is giving me ostrich feathers. If not, I know it's turkey feathers because I do have a turkey feather coat, and it does feel and look exactly like this. So I do think this might be turkey feathers, but it is fur, so that's so soft and so beautiful. And honestly, the way this one like just waves in the wind, the feathers are just so perfect. Like I absolutely love them. However, the dress itself also very, very gorgeous. I think this one has to be my favorite Cher doll. There is a couple of them. I know there is maybe like four from Mattel with the Bob Mackie dresses, and I do actually want to collect them all, but this one is definitely my favorite out of all of them. Can't you just see her saying, "Hey, I'm Cher"? Getting in closer on the face molding for you, you can really, really see the makeup. It's just so beautiful and just so gorgeous. I love it so much. I'm honestly very, very impressed, like I said, especially with the makeup. I mean, that eye makeup, you can see all of the different colors that they actually use. With Cher out of the box, you can see just how fabulous she is. Now, yes, she does come with a doll stand, which is very cool, very convenient. Again, the dress is just such a beautiful fabric material, totally given mermaid. It's even lined lavender on the inside. So they really, really did do a phenomenal job on the clothing. Again, this fur right here is just so perfect and just so glorious. And even her hair is literally brand new after all of these years. How fabulous. Holding up Cher, can't you just see how beautiful she is? Now, this actually reminds me of the movie Burlesque, where she goes like, wagon 1, 2, right? I forgot what exactly she says, but I know she says the word wagon, and it's a funny.
Wagon wheel Watusi.
However, look how cute this is. The hair moves absolutely perfect, brand new. The fur moves new as well. And honestly, this is just so perfect. I love it. Another funny moment with the Cher doll is my brother was sick recently, and my mom was like, I got you. And I was around the corner opening this doll, and I popped the doll around the corner, and I was like, I got you too, babe. So, oh my god, isn't that just so perfect? The things you can do with this Cher doll. So cute, so great. I love it. And with her standing on the doll stand, absolutely fabulous, just so perfect, and honestly, what a great purchase. Now we can see Cher by my Prada. She looks so cute by the Brat dolls. But she also looks perfect by my La Medusa bag as well with the purple. Isn't it just so cute? I could even stick her down here next to the Kylie Jenner Bratz doll, which they both have fur as well. So isn't that just so cute? They're just so perfect together. But I think I'm gonna put her at the top of my luxury bag shelf. So the best spot for Cher would be somewhere on top of here with my dolls. Now usually my high heels would be right there, my Versace Platforms, but I do need them to film this video. But if we do put Cher there, it doesn't look bad. It does look really, really cute. However, I think I want to put Cher kind of by the Daphne Barbie. And wabam, she is absolutely perfect there. That is honestly the most perfect spot. I am so happy with this. She will be going up there and staying up there. So let's all give a round of applause for Cher. So with this Cher doll, I have to say, if I could turn back time, I would have went and bought all of them from the specific seller. However, I do plan to go back and buy all of them because she has all of the Bob Mackie ones and the prices are so great. So for that price, I mean, I really, really can't beat it. So I'm just so excited that I do have this one, and it's just so beautiful and lovely. But definitely make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what was your favorite part of this doll. And if you have a favorite Barbie doll, definitely comment that one down below too, because I love to know your favorite Barbies. But again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and you. Make sure you like, subscribe, have a great day, and au revoir.
Cher impersonation? Let me see it.
I'm great.
Cher meets Kermit.
Do it this time, but flick your hair back.
I'm great.
That meme will live forever. It's gonna haunt you for the rest of your life.